Answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question 13. An electrical device has 50 turns in its primary coil and 20 turns in the secondary coil. The device can be A or an A. Step-up transformer, B. Step-down transformer, C. DC generator, and D. AC generator. Now, an electrical device with a primary coil and a secondary coil is typically what? A transformer. Is a transformer. Now, a transformer is a device or an electrical device used for changing the size of an alternating current voltage. That's an AC voltage. So in other words, it acts to increase or decrease the EMF, that is the electromotive force of an alternating current. Now, there are two types of transformer. We have two types of transformer. We have the step-up transformer, and then we have the step-down transformer. Step-down transformer. Now, for the step-up transformer, it helps to what? It helps to increase or step up the applied voltage or primary voltage. And this is actually done because the secondary coil of a step-up transformer has more turns than the primary coil. So when you see a step-up transformer that is used to step up or increase the primary voltage of an alternating current, the secondary coil always has more turns than the primary coil, in the sense that, let's take for instance, you have 20 turns in the primary coil. The secondary coil will have more than 20 turns. It might have 50 or 100 turns, because you are trying to increase the primary voltage. But in terms of the step down transformer, you're trying to decrease the primary voltage. You're trying to decrease the primary voltage, or step down the primary voltage or applied voltage. And because of that, the primary turn and coil usually have more turn than the secondary coil. That is, the secondary coil has less turns compared to the primary coil, because you are trying to step down or decrease the applied voltage or primary voltage. Now the question says an electrical device has 50 turns in its primary coil and 20 turns in the secondary coil. Now you agree with me that here now the primary coil has more turns than the secondary coil, and so therefore it is a step down transformer, because the main aim here is to decrease the applied voltage here. And like we say, the step down transformer helps to decrease primary voltage or applied voltage, and this is because the primary coil usually have more turns than the secondary coil, unlike the step up transformer, that's the secondary coil has more turns than the primary coil. So the answer to this question is option B, step down transformer. Now we didn't look at generators, DC generator or AC generator. This is because generator is a device that does that actually is used to convert magnetic energy to electrical energy. So it works on the principle of electromagnetism, whereby magnetic energy is used to produce electricity. That's in terms of the generator. So magnetic energy is used to produce electricity. But the device that we have been described here is a transformer, and that is the step down transformer, which is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.